coconut oil, honey, black soap, white black soap, canwood also, cinnamon oil, sulfur, shea butter, herbal water, bitter leaf juice, and tea tree. 10 organic ingredients for complete skin treatment and lightening soap. All the 10 ingredients are perfect for all types of skins and treatments of all kind of infection, dandruff, acne, eczema, dead skin, aging, ringworm, pimples, and so on. All kind of rashes, inches, any skin infection that affect your skin physically. Now, relax and let's do this together. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified for the next video. Don't forget your mixing bowl, your hand glove, and your stapler. It's very important. Now, in goes to my mixing bowl first is my black white soap. We call it Ghana soap. It's an antibacterial, also treatment of acne. It fights dandruff. It promotes skin health. It has the same benefits to skin as black soap. Ghana soap foam a bit than black soap and have a lightening effect on skin. Adding black and white Ghana soap together is an optional. You may choose to use your black African soap or white Ghana soap. The next thing I will be adding is my bitter leaf juice. Bitter leaf juice is a juice squeezed out of fresh bitter leaf. It has an antimicrobial properties and suits most of skin irritation, leaving you with a cleanse and a brighter complexion. The next I'm adding is my herbal water or umiaro. Herbal water is also skin treatment. It works perfectly on acne, rashes, even eczema. Adding both together is to soak the soap in order to make a paste out of it. You can choose to use either bitter leaf water or herbal water, and you can choose to use the both. And this is exactly how it looks like after you have allowed it to soak for like 30 minutes. After that, you have exactly like this paste that you are seeing here. It's not all that smooth, but at least it is smooth that you can add other ingredients to it. The next ingredient I'm adding is my shea butter. Has many benefits for skin, including moisturizing and treating acne. Just add little, let me say small amounts of shea butter to it, and it helps moisturizing your skin. I'm also adding my coconut oil to it. Coconut oil also helps moisturizing and exfoliates the skin. It can reduce wrinkles and soft, dry skin. So if that is why I told you any type of skin can use this soap. If you have a dry skin, don't be scared of saying maybe after using it, it might be maybe having effect on your skin. No, with all the moisturizing ingredient on it, it will help your skin. It will moisturize it not to get dry. As you add, make sure you stir it together. Stir it so that every ingredient will blend together with the soap. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. And the next thing I will be adding to it is honey. Honey is an antioxidant. It contains vitamin E and is also an antibacterial. It helps brighten your complexion and is suitable for all types of skin. Make sure you mix it together very, very well before adding the next ingredient. This soap is recommended for stubborn skin infection. Stubborn skin infection that ordinary soap cannot cure. The next I will be adding to the soap is cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil protects skin from collagen and also give you a smooth skin. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, you can ask questions and I will be here to answer you. This type of soap, as I told you earlier, is a kind of soap that you don't use continuously. You can use it for 2 to 3 weeks. After treating the infection, then you discontinue with it. You can continue using your normal soap that you are using. Subscribe, stay in this channel and you will learn a lot. I will be dropping the part 2 of this black soap. I mean the one that you can continue with if you stop using this one. Now let's start adding our powdered ingredients. The first one I'm adding is rice powder. Rice powder in this soap helps soften your skin, smooth and soothe your skin from sunburn. And the next one I'm adding is sulfur. Sulfur has many skin benefits. It treats acne, eczema, rashes, and so on. Just a tablespoon of sulfur. And the next one I'm adding is my canwood or osum. We call it osum in my dialect. Canwood is an anti-aging. It reduces wrinkles and balances skin texture. I also add 1 spoon of canwood to it. My rice powder, sulfur, and canwood, 1 spoon is okay in this quantity of soap. My black soap is 120 gram. My white soap is also 120 gram. So mixing all these ingredients with it, make it a perfect treatment for any types of skin infection. If you want to increase your soap, make sure you increase your ingredients as well in order to work effectively on your skin. So as you added all your ingredients, you need to stir it very well. Make sure you stir it well so that it will combine all the ingredients together. At this point, give my video a thumb up. Don't forget subscribe. Turn on your notification button so that it will notify you when I drop the part 2 of this organic soap. The next I'm adding now is tea tree. Just 2 to 3 drops of tea tree is okay. Tea tree has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help prevent skin infection. As you add all your ingredients, make sure you mix it very well. After mixing it very well, allow it to settle for 24 hours. After 24 hours, mix it again before packaging it to any bottle of your choice. And your soap is ready for use. You can get all these products in organic shop. Go to where they are selling organic products that is closer to you. You will get all these ingredients there. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Hope you enjoyed today's production. See you in the next video. Bye.